ito pang video nila ko yung ano, sa akin, no, pang highlights. Gago, bigyan na yun. Hindi, dito ako. Ha? Ganito ko mo dun. Ano ba, wala yun? Ha? Hindi siya nakakaway. Okay na. Hindi na yung ito ano yung
Oo, ano ba? Ay, paano na yan?
30.
Ito, dito lang, may nagam.
8 lang ata yun.
X.
8.
May 40% dyan, ayaw nilabas eh.
14 Pro, hindi. 14 Pro. 15 Pro ata yan.
15.
Siguro.
Wala pa rin. Okay. Pwede na. Idol, may pick up.
Ilang minutes? Per quarter, 80. 99.
Ah,
Di ba pala na-upload yung mga naka-ranji? Hindi niya na-upload. Sayang.
Bye. Two more, stay behind it.
Hirap pre.
Score natin, Albon.
Lagi, balikat.
Ay, bumabae manigang ni Kuya. Hey! Hey!
Time out.
Time out!
Wala mag-iilang.
Time out. Bumaba po yung balikat. Okay guys, review. Kasi baka sa may ganyan talaga eh. Diba, Brad? Kuya ko ganyan din, Brad. Napapay mo dito, balik ko. 3-1. Kuya Brad, hindi ko na ma-highlight ha. Sorry.
Nakatira siya, Brad.
3 points. 1-7. Kuya, okay ka lang ba?
Wala, hindi ko gagawin.
Ilalim. Designer. Wala pa rin. Idol. Uy, 2 straight.
Takbuhan na to, G. Mga kapit ko pa tapos hindi. Bulas na yung nabagi.
Nilo ko kanina, pre. Tangin na. Wala ako.
Orange. Baka kanina dulas sa patos ko.
Nakaan yan. First game.
Oo, nagdinig na yung bawal mo.
Dahil naman na yung first shot. Sana outside yan. Kasi yung soul mo. Wala ba? Wala pa natin eh, no?
Oo.
Wala ba eh. Kung ano mo? Okay, tumira. 2 points. Sorry, kuya pala hindi ko na highlight. Ang hirap. Boss leader na lang. Kuya ba, tumira ng last! Okay. Palatas na. Okay na. Debray, sabay pa rin kami leader. Okay. Okay, sige, hinga ka lang. Two boy.
Ano ang score?
11-14 in favor of Team Right. 4B. Sayang. Bawi na, bawi guys. Marunong susuhin eh.
Ice D.
Wala po. Nice defense. Margie! View the ball! Sabay nag-bump! Tama sa mila, pero wala nang mapanin ni Margie. Put up, 2 boy.
Natawag?
Takbo, Levi! Takbo! Huli! Oy! Medyo kumintab. Medyo nagin. Tulas ang mga flag. Wala? Wala? Yun yan. Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Eto na. Number 25. Pinasang Kebray. Nakapal-pal. Lumay. Kebray, tira. Floater! Wala pa rin. 2 minutes. 2 minutes ba? 2 minutes. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yung magbabawi sa Jaren. Wala pa rin na mani na white. Takbo mo yan, kuya. Huli!
Next ano score?
Score natin ay 50-50. Favor of. Sana po. May dito mira. 2 boy. Tatlo na ulit. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. Wala po. Hiraman pero walang ihes. Last 1 minute. 2 boy. Got the shooting more. Pressure. Last 40 seconds. Apat na naman ang kalamangan ng kabila. Once pass, tuloy Brian. Oh my God, sayang. Last 35 seconds. Two points. Tatlo na lang. Last 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take card.
Ah!
3 points.
Wala kaya? Game lang. Kala mo lang kaya. Kalate lang.
So, mga sabsab, talentahin na, talentahin. Ayan, may isang. 21, assist na to. Assist na. Score is 22 in favor of Polo side. Last 8 minutes and 30 seconds remaining for game straight. Only here at number 3 score setup. That's Maria Scopita.
Ah! Good. Kaya naka-score si Joji. Ay, 1-2.
Score 22-22. Basket 2 points. Score 20-24. 7 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. No good. Rebound. So the mga players natin tonight. Arevalo for 3 basket. Score is 26-24 in favor of the backside. Last 7 minutes and 30 seconds. For 3, no good. Out of bounds. 7 minutes and 22 seconds. Score 26-24. There it out. Pass. No. Last 7 minutes. Basket, 2 points, all 26. Last 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Basket, 2 points. Score is 28-26 in favor of the backside as a bump. Wow. Basket, 2 points. Humahabol po. That's all 28 score. Last 6 minutes and 35 seconds for 3. No good. All right. Basket, 2 points. The mga doors side, 28-30. 6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Perla on the ball. Basket, 2 points. All 30. Nag-aabulan lang sila. Up, easy. Friday for 3. No good. Rebound by Perla. Last 55 minutes and 53 seconds. Out, no good. Dolon. Pinasakay mo Bonilla. Basket, 2 points. Lamang na ang door side. 30-32. Last 5 minutes and 35 seconds remaining for 3. Pableo, no good. Zaire. All right. 5 minutes and 24 seconds remaining. No good. 5 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Andy for 3. No good. Last 5 minutes. No good. Pableo. Bringing down ball. Dumeneto. Basket, 2 points, all 32. Last 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Golon for 3. No good. Andy. Pinasakay Arevalo. Back to Andy. Bump. Out of bounds. 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining for game for defense. Brother. Pableo. Turnover. No good. One again. 2 points. Score is 32, 34 in favor of the door side. Berna. No good. Easy. Javier. No good. All good. Easy. Arevalo. Perla. Andy. For 3. No good. Rebound. Dolon. Basket, 2 points. Score is 30-36 in favor of door side. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. No good. Easy. Zaide, 2 points. Score 32-38 in favor of Zaide's group. Andy Pascal Arevalo for 3. No good. Rebound. All right. 2-point score is 32-40. Last 3 minutes, Bableo 2-19. Andy Arevalo, 2 points. Score 34-40, 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Turnover. Arevalo. No good. Bableo. No good. Andy, 2 points. Score 36-40. Last 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. 19 to Andy. Basket 2 points. Score 38-40. 2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Pass to turnover. Help here. Easy. 2 points. 2 points lead. Zaitis group on the lead of 40 and 38. Last 2 minutes. Pass to Arevalo. Attention for Trey. No good. Out of bounds. Last 1 minute and 45 seconds. Score is 38-40. Zaitis 42. 38-42 in favor of Zaitis group. Arevalo, no good. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. 38-42, Zaitis group on the lead. Dolon for 3. No good. Rebound by Pompeo. Out of bounds. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining. Score 38-42 in favor of Zaitis group. Arevalo back to Zaitis. And a 2 points. 42, 2 points lead. They're down to 55 seconds. Last 50 seconds, 2 minutes, 2 point lead of Zaitis group. Dolon. Good rebound. Up same ball. Last 35 seconds, Zaitis ball. Score is 40-42. Dolon. Basket 2 points, last 20 seconds. 40-44. Andy getting the ball. Pompeo. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 40-46. That was a hot break to go.